How to download and install Prisma 3D on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily download and install Prisma 3D application on your Android. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store, and since it's a pretty simple process, just head over to search bar and simply search in for Prisma 3D. So it's an application for video animation, 3D modeling or motion graphics, and as well as modes and mode editor. So you can just tap on this install button from over here to successfully download and install your application. Based on your internet connection, it will be automatically installed, so you just have to wait for a few seconds. So once it successfully downloads and installs, you can just tap on this open button to successfully get started with your animation or modeling. So just choose any one of these options from over here and simply enter all of the login details, or just follow the on-screen instruction from over here and just get started with it. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.